Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic how to define bolt coordinate. First of all open Civil 3D, then open overhead bridge drawing. This is a overhead bridge drawing. Then change 2D frame conceptual. Check this overhead bridge drawing and bolt conceptual. Change 2D frame, then change UCS command, F8, select one point, select then second point and enter, change the UCS. Check the UCS P-line, create a P-line, check the UCS, change the UCS. Finally UCS change, then another drawing, this drawing section drawing for overhead bridge. Select all, Control C, copy, change, this is a overhead bridge drawing, then Control V, right click, clipboard, paste as block, click here, then rotate section, rotate command section rotate, finally section rotate, then align command, enter align command, al enter align command, then select section, click single corner, then bridge, then second corner, click second corner, yes, finally align with bridge, section align with bridge, check this bolt, then check id command, enter id command, check the elevation northing and easting, id command, select center point, click center point, then finally northing, easting and elevation. One by one I check all bolt and defined northing, easting and elevation. Conceptual, check this all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and comment. See you in the next video.